Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review UNUM. So UNUM is a tool that lets you create your post or content on social media, and the best part is you do not have to post that content immediately. You can schedule it for later. So this way you can schedule a lot of posts at once and then you can publish them gradually. So this way you can save a lot of time. Another great feature of UNUM is that it has AI, so it can generate really good captions for your social media that is going to grab a lot of attention. Other than that, it also comes with hashtag generator, and once you have your content published from UNUM, you can also see them live, literally live on UNUM's dashboard, which is amazing. So this way you can super easily track your content. And UNUM is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $70, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $49. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So UNUM is currently offering only one lifetime deal or one tier on Appsumo. So it is going to cost $49 as I mentioned before. But here are all the features that you are going to get at only $49 for life. So you are going to get unlimited social integrations, all the social accounts you can connect. You have unlimited scheduling. You can schedule as many posts as you want. You can connect unlimited channels, which means you can connect as many accounts, social accounts. It could be Facebook, LinkedIn, or even some other platform like Pinterest. You can also connect as many accounts from these platforms as you want. You can also upload unlimited photo, video, and here's another great feature, that is the storage. So you have storage for media files. So you also have unlimited storage for that. You can add unlimited team members. You can create unlimited workspaces. You have unlimited AI credits for generating your caption as well as hashtags. And there are also some tools that you will get access to, such as Magic Resizer AI tool, AI Copilot, and 20 plus tools, plus all the future tools that are going to be added to the platform. So if you want to buy UNUM on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here's the roadmap of UNUM, and you can see all the features that they are going to add. So these are all the features that have received the most upvote. So here are all of them. So now let me show you how this tool is going to work. So once you log into UNUM, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. So the dashboard is super simple and super user friendly. First of all, on the left side, you have all the options. So first of all, we have the workspace, and currently I am on this particular workspace. So you can create different workspace for different purposes. Or for example, you are managing multiple clients, managing the accounts, social accounts of multiple clients. In that case, you can separate the accounts according to each client. For example, on one workspace, you can keep all the accounts of a certain client, and for another you can create a new workspace. So this way you can create different workspaces, and then on each workspace you can also add your team members. So if you click on this, you can invite your team members in order to make them join you, and then you can also connect all of your social accounts. So currently these are all the accounts, these are all the social platforms that are supported by UNUM. So Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Almost all the top platforms, all the top social platforms are available on here, and connecting these accounts are super easy. All you have to do is just click on connect new, and then you have to provide some access, provide some permission, and the account is going to be connected. And then on the left side we have this UNUM AI. So the AI is going to generate literally anything, any post, even blog post, short post, or whatever you want. All you have to do is just provide that or describe what you want from the AI on this box. For example, I want 3 different quotes about productivity. So let me write that on here. So what I want the AI to do is give me 3 productivity quotes. So let me show you what I get on this UNUM AI. I'm not sure what AI they use, but hopefully they are going to come up with some good output. Okay, so we have got the caption. Since it is about caption, so it is only going to generate only one caption. The AI did came up with 3 captions, but since on the right side we are posting just one single post, so one single quote is available. But we can also provide a new instruction if we do not want that. So here we can write something else if we do not get what we wanted. So on the right side you have your caption, and for example on this caption we also need hashtag in order to get maximum reach. So in order to generate the hashtags, all you have to do is just click on here, and now it is going to generate the hashtag. Okay, so here are some hashtags. Probably these are the hashtags that are currently trending on social media. We can also add them if we want. So other than the caption, we can also add various media such as photos, videos, or different post ideas. So UNUM already has some post ideas. Let me show you. So here is one that is ask a question, behind the scene, blog post link, call to action, create a post. So these are all the different post ideas that you can also add to your post. And obviously you can upload your photo as well as video on here. And if you want to make this media larger, you can also do that on here. And then we also have the schedule option. We can exactly pinpoint when we want to share the post. We can select the date as well as the time on here, and on top we can select the channel, exactly on what social media we want to share the post. So if I click on this plus icon, now I can choose any social media from this list. And the best part is I can even add comments to the post. It could be probably first comment, so we can do that on here. All you have to do is just provide your comment and then post that. So once your post is added, you can simply preview this post and schedule it. And once you schedule that post is going to appear on this calendar. So this is the social calendar. You can see exactly when you have scheduled your post according to their date. And you can even create a post directly from the calendar. Just click on this plus icon. Now you can choose your social account and then post on that particular date. And then UNUM also has their studio, or this is the storage. So you can store any of your media files. It could be video or image. So let me upload a file. I can upload from my device or computer or upload from link. UNUM also has Dropbox integration if you want to import your files from that platform. So let me upload an image. So as you can see, the image has been uploaded. This is how you can use the media library as storage. And if you open the image, on the right side you can see all the details about the image. And the best part is you can even create a post using this image directly on here. Just click on new post, or you can also add it to a channel, social channel. You can download it or delete it. And then we have this bio bar, or the link in bio. So if you want to create all your social links or sell some post, if you want a link in bio landing page, you can create that super easily from here. And the best part is there are so many different templates that you can use. So here are all the templates. So you do not have to create any manual design in order to create your landing page for link in bio. For example, I want to use this template. So all I have to do is just click on this. And now the editor has opened. So on the right side, I can see the preview. So if I change any design, on the right side, I can see all the changes. And on top, I have the link. I can also edit all the handles. I can provide a new handle on here and then save it. And these are all the different blocks that have been added to this particular preview or the link in bio. So if I, for example, disable this one, it is going to disappear. I can also edit this. I can delete this one. And if I want more blocks, I can add that from this left side. So I have blocks for profile, social links, text block, image block, as well as link or URL block. And then I can also add various social links such as YouTube, Spotify, all these different links. And for example, if I just click on these links, as you can see, all these social links options are opening. So now you can add your social link. For example, if I want to add my Facebook link, so all I have to do is just provide the link on here. So now if someone clicks on this icon, the Facebook URL is going to take him to that particular URL that I provide on here. And other than adding the block, I can also change the design, the color, all of these different types of settings. All I have to do is just click on this appearance. And now I can change the background image, the font, as well as the background color. It could be solid or gradient. And then I can also see insights or analytics, which means how many people are visiting. So I can see the views, the clicks, all of these different types of statistics on here. I can also change some settings such as the visibility setting. Other than the bio bar or the link in bio, we also have this news. We can see various newses or even different types of tutorials about UNUM, what you can do with this particular tool. We can also learn different things. We can get some strategies or post ideas from here. So for example, if I want some ideas about traveling, I can open this and then I can see different types of travel post ideas on here. And then there are also some strategies, tools and features. And then we have our social channel. So the best part about UNUM is that once you connect your social media, you can see the preview. You can see your live social media directly on this dashboard, which is amazing. So all you have to do is just click on this plus icon. And for example, if I connect my Instagram account, let me show you how this is going to appear. So as you can see, after connecting the social account, for example, I have connected Instagram. So this is how the Instagram page is going to appear. You can see all of your uploaded content. On the left side, you can create a post for social media of Instagram. You can get some post ideas. You can see some strategies. On the right side, you can directly post. You can obviously use the magic caption or the hashtag for your social media. So this is how the preview, your social media is going to be directly integrated on this UNUM, which is amazing. And currently I am showing you the web interface, the web dashboard of UNUM. But the best part is if you're on a cell phone, you can also use UNUM using their apps. And the best part is the apps are available for both Android as well as Apple. So if I show you the App Store. So as you can see, UNUM is available on App Store and they also have a lot of ratings, over 10,000 ratings, and the overall rating is very satisfying, 4.5. And they also have an application for Android platform as well. So all you have to do is just click on this Google Play. And even on the Android platform, they also have 1 million plus users. And the reviews are over 6,000 and it is overall 4.3 out of 5, which is also very good. So overall, I think UNUM is an excellent tool that lets you track your social media, schedule posts for social media, create your post using AI, create the hashtags, and it also has some other features such as the link in bio. You can get a lot of different post ideas. You can directly integrate the social media on the platform of UNUM. And once you connect to social accounts, you can manage them from your computer or even your phone. It could be Android or even iPhone. So if you do not have enough time to manage your social media, this tool has to be one of the best helpful tools that you can get. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And this is the only tier that is available at only $49 that you can purchase from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.